Welcome to the MessageWhiz interface. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Keywords section, an essential tool for automating responses based on specific user input. Keywords are predefined words or phrases that customers send, which automatically triggers specific response flows. Common examples include help to send support instructions, join to start an onboarding sequence, stop or unsubscribe to opt out of messaging. Each row in your keywords list displays the keyword itself and the automated event flow it activates. To add a new keyword, click Add Keyword and fill in the information on screen. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.